Salesians are supposed to be good educators. What does education really mean? The original Latin term educere means to lead out, to draw out. Each child has inborn powers. They should be led, properly nurtured and developed. We can be good educators only if we have discovered and refined these innate forces within ourselves. It is not enough to know Don Bosco's preventive system and modern educational methods well enough. We must first be mature and responsible individuals. Be good Christians and honest citizens.